So, okay, I want you to sing, like, loud. It'll make my night. It means so much to me if you just blast it out, okay? Ready? On the first page of our story, the future seems so bright. Then things turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels have their wicked schemes, and you take that to new extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though we've lost your mind. Just gotta stand there and watch me burn. That's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Sing it! Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Okay, here's another one. You are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still fighting, I don't know why. If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If our love's insanity, why are you my remedy? Okay, you guys really have to sing like loud. I'm coming home, coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they're forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Beautiful, you guys, thank you. And just because we're in LA, magical things happen here. You know, if you ask for a unicorn, you'll probably get one somewhere. Some art department will figure it out.